And a pocket full of miracles.
Fuck, those fuckers. Those shitty ass fireworks. Oh, there they are! Holy shit! How do you zoom in? Holy fuck. Zoom in over there, son. What the fuck? Oh, yeah, there we go. Some fucking fireworks over there.
Pretty sweet, eh?
Yeah. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. So exhilarating. My heart's pumping. And a pocket full of miracles. Me go. Let's check it over here.
You should just go get that beer, man.
You should just get on your knees and tell me you love me. Is that it? Is that all they could afford? And
Big box. There's like 3 big boxes there.
oh yeah, there it go. Oh yeah, light 'em up, light 'em up. Bitches, bitches, bitches.
Right in.
Oh yeah, oh yeah, that's what I like, that's what I like to see.
How long is your mom on the way, pig?
I don't know. Probably. You'll be back tonight, probably. Who knows? Those fucking motherfuckers. Punk ass fireworks.